Archaeology is changing. The field, once dominated by traditional tools and methods, is now embracing cutting-edge technology to uncover the secrets of the past. We are used to shovels and brushes, the quintessential tools of an archaeologist. These tools have served us well for centuries, allowing us to carefully excavate and study ancient artifacts and structures. Now we have amazing technology to help us see the past. Drones, with their advanced imaging capabilities, are revolutionizing the way we explore and document archaeological sites. Drones are changing how we explore ancient sites. They provide a bird's-eye view, allowing us to survey large areas quickly and efficiently, something that was previously impossible. They are like eyes in the sky, offering perspectives that ground-based observations simply cannot match. This aerial vantage point is invaluable for mapping and understanding the layout of ancient settlements. Drones help us see things we couldn't see before. Hidden structures buried under layers of earth are now visible thanks to advanced imaging technology. This allows us to uncover and study sites without disturbing them. We can learn so much from the air. The data collected by drones can be used to create detailed maps and 3D models of archaeological sites, providing a comprehensive view of the area. Drones show us the shape of buildings and tombs. This information is crucial for understanding the architectural styles and construction methods used by ancient civilizations. They help us understand how people lived long ago. By studying the layout of villages and the placement of buildings, we can gain insights into the daily lives and social structures of past cultures. Drones are changing our view of the past. They allow us to see the big picture, to understand the context of archaeological sites in relation to their surroundings. They help us protect and preserve important places for the future. By documenting sites in detail, we can create records that will last for generations, ensuring that these cultural treasures are not lost to time. This is an exciting time for archaeology. The integration of drone technology is opening up new possibilities and transforming the way we conduct research and make discoveries. Drones are giving us a new perspective on history. They are not just tools, they are partners in our quest to uncover the mysteries of the past. We can now explore the past in ways we never thought possible. Remote and inaccessible sites are now within our reach, thanks to the versatility and mobility of drones. Join me as we discover the fascinating world of drone archaeology. Together, we will uncover the stories of ancient civilizations and gain a deeper understanding of our shared human heritage. Drones are like our partners in archaeology. They help us in many different places. For example, drones are being used in Peru. They are helping us find lost cities in the jungle. Drones are also being used in Egypt. They help us map ancient tombs and pyramids. In Cambodia, drones are helping us study the temples of Angkor Wat. These are just a few examples of how drones are being used. They are helping us make incredible discoveries all over the world. Drones are changing the way we study the past. They allow us to see things we could never see from the ground. Why are drones so helpful for archaeologists? There are many reasons. First, drones save us time and money. They can survey a site much faster than people can on foot. This means we can do more work in less time. Second, drones give us a different view. They fly high above the ground. This allows us to see patterns that we might miss on the ground. Third, drones can reach places that are difficult or dangerous for people. This means we can explore more of our past. Drones are safe and efficient. They are becoming essential tools for archaeologists around the world. Some archaeological sites are in hard-to-reach places. They might be on steep cliffs or in dense forests. It can be dangerous for people to explore these areas. This is where drones are really useful. Drones can fly over any terrain. They can take pictures and collect data from the air. This means we can study sites that were previously impossible to reach. Drones allow us to see the world from a new perspective. We can now explore the most remote and challenging environments on Earth. Drones are opening up a whole new world of archaeological possibilities. Discoveries from the sky unveiling history with drone technology. Drones have already helped us make amazing discoveries. For example, in 2016, drones helped find a new pyramid in Egypt. The pyramid was hidden under the sand for centuries. Drones have also helped find lost cities in the Amazon rainforest. These cities were built by ancient civilizations over 1,000 years ago. The drones took pictures of the jungle from above. The pictures showed the outlines of buildings and roads. These discoveries would not have been possible without drones. They are helping us rewrite history. reconstructing the past 3D models and maps through drone imaging. Drones don't just take pictures, they can help us create 3D models. They do this by taking hundreds of photos of a site from different angles. We then use computer software to stitch these images together. The result is a detailed 3D model of the site. We can rotate the model and view it from any angle. We can even zoom in to see small details. These models are incredibly useful for archaeologists. They help us understand the layout and structure of ancient buildings. We can use them to create accurate maps and plans. 3D models help us bring the past to life. Unmasking hidden histories, finding lost sites and structures. Sometimes ancient structures are hidden underground. They might be buried by sand or covered by vegetation. Drones can help us find these hidden treasures. They can do this using a technology called ground-penetrating radar, or GPR. GPR sends radio waves into the ground. These waves bounce back when they hit something solid. By analyzing the reflected waves, we can create images of what lies beneath the surface. This technology helps us find buried walls, tombs, and other structures. Drones and GPR are a powerful combination. They allow us to see through the earth and uncover hidden history. Seeing through time LiDAR and thermal imaging in archaeological exploration. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. This technology uses laser pulses to measure distances to the Earth's surface, creating highly accurate, three-dimensional information about the shape of the Earth and its surface characteristics. It's another amazing technology that is used with drones. By mounting LiDAR systems on drones, archaeologists can survey large areas quickly and efficiently, even in challenging terrains that are difficult to access on foot. LiDAR uses lasers to create detailed three-dimensional maps of the Earth's surface. These maps can reveal subtle changes in elevation that are often invisible to the naked eye, uncovering hidden structures and features buried beneath vegetation or soil. These maps can reveal subtle changes in elevation. For instance, slight variations in the ground surface can indicate the presence of ancient roads, walls, or foundations that have long since been covered by natural processes. This helps us find ancient roads, buildings, and other features that are no longer visible to the naked eye. By analyzing the data collected by LiDAR, archaeologists can reconstruct past landscapes and understand how ancient civilizations interacted with their environment. Thermal imaging is also helpful for archaeologists. This technology detects heat differences on the ground, which can be crucial in identifying buried structures that have different thermal properties than the surrounding soil. It detects heat differences on the ground. For example, buried stone walls or foundations may retain heat differently than the surrounding earth, creating a thermal signature that can be detected by drones equipped with thermal cameras. This can help us find buried structures, which often have different temperatures than the surrounding soil. By identifying these thermal anomalies, archaeologists can pinpoint areas of interest for further excavation and study. LiDAR and thermal imaging are powerful tools. When used together, they provide a comprehensive view of archaeological sites, revealing both the physical and thermal characteristics of the landscape. They allow us to see the world in a whole new light. By combining these advanced technologies, archaeologists can uncover hidden secrets of the past, offering new insights into ancient civilizations and their ways of life. Guardians of the past. Drones in site preservation and protection. Archaeological sites are fragile. They are threatened by things like looting, vandalism, and climate change. Drones can help us protect these precious places. We can use drones to monitor sites from the air. This allows us to quickly identify any threats. Drones can also create detailed maps of sites. These maps help us track changes over time and assess damage. This information is essential for developing effective conservation strategies. Drones are helping us protect our shared cultural heritage. A future unveiled. Drone archaeology's potential and promise. Drone technology is constantly evolving. What started as simple remote-controlled devices has now transformed into sophisticated machines capable of performing complex tasks. These advancements are opening up new possibilities in various fields, including archaeology. As drones become even more advanced, they will play an even greater role in archaeology. Imagine drones that can not only capture high-resolution images, but also analyze soil composition, detect minute changes in the landscape, and even identify potential excavation sites with pinpoint accuracy. In the future, we can expect to see drones equipped with even more sophisticated sensors and imaging equipment. These tools will enable archaeologists to explore areas that were previously inaccessible or too dangerous to excavate manually. These tools will allow us to make even more incredible discoveries about our past. For instance, drones equipped with ground-penetrating radar can reveal hidden structures beneath the surface, offering a glimpse into ancient civilizations that have long been buried. Drones will also become increasingly important for site management and protection. They can monitor large areas in real time, providing valuable data on site conditions and potential threats such as looting or environmental damage. They will help us monitor sites more effectively and respond to threats more quickly. With drones, we can ensure that our precious archaeological sites are preserved for future generations. The future of archaeology is looking up. As we continue to integrate drone technology into our research methods, we will unlock new levels of understanding about our past. With the help of drones, we can continue to unlock the secrets of the past and preserve them for generations to come. The potential for discovery is limitless, and the promise of what we might find is truly exciting.